Not getting the same results from your Ninja Creami? It might just need a deep clean. Here's how to clean every part, fast and thoroughly. Step 1. Unplug the machine and disassemble everything. Safety first. Unplug the Creami, then remove the outer bowl, lid, blade, and pint container. Step 2. Wash the lid and blade assembly by hand. Twist the blade out of the lid and rinse both with warm soapy water. Use a brush to scrub around the paddle shaft and under the lid seal. These trap residue over time. Step 3. Clean the outer bowl and pint container. Wash with mild dish soap and a non-abrasive sponge. Make sure to clean under the rim and handle area where buildup can hide. Step 4. Wipe down the base unit and motor ring. Use a damp cloth to wipe the motor ring, control panel, and outer housing. Never submerge the base. Just wipe it down. Step 5. Dry everything thoroughly before reassembling. Let all parts air dry or towel dry completely. Moisture around the paddle or sensor can affect performance. Want to keep it running great? Do a deep clean like this once a week if you use it regularly, or after messy recipes like nut butters or chunky mix-ins. Support link is in the description if you need help with part replacement or cleaning tips. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next clean pint.